Sewing machine solution. Feeding. The front-end machine cuts the fabric to a specific length and places it in the pick-up station. The robot picks up the material and positions it to the sewing machine starting position. Sewing. The three axes of the robot and the sewing machine move synchronously to cut, hem and sew the fabric. Discharging. The robot drags the finished fabric to the discharging position, and the cylinder action pushes it to the back-end equipment for the next processing. The sewing process uses CNC to achieve a 4-axis synchronized solution. Input length, width and stitching pitch via touch screen. QE online automatic curve planning. X-axis, Y-axis, rotary axis and sewing axis cooperate to sew the material.